One of the important theorem related to incident matrix and circuit matrix is theorem number 4. The theorem 4 explains that let B and A be respectively the circuit matrix and the incident matrix of a self-loop free graph whose columns are arranged using the same order of edges. Then every row of B is orthogonal to every row of A, that is A dot transpose of B matrix is equal to 0. For example, in this circuit we have taken the matrix of incident matrix and circuit matrix A and B and the transpose of B, and we get the dot product as a orthogonal matrix. The proof of this theorem is that behind a logic. The logic is that consider a vertex V in a circuit T, a vertex V and a circuit T in the graph G. If either the V is in T or it is not. If V is not in T, there is no edge in the circuit T that is incident on V. On the other hand, if V is in T circuit, the number of those edges in the circuit T are incident on the V is exactly 2. This is the logic of this circuit. The proof of this circuit is that if the ith row in A and the jth row in B, since the edges are arranged in same order, the non-entries in the corresponding position occur only if the particular edge is incident on the ith vertex and is also in the jth circuit. That is, in the logic I have explained, the ith vertex will be vertex V is ith vertex and the circuit T is as the jth circuit. So if the ith vertex is not in the jth circuit and if there is no such non-zero entry and the dot product of the two rows is 0, and if the ith vertex is in the jth circuit, that is the ith vertex is in the jth vertex, there will be exactly two ones, and the sum of the product of the individual entries, that is 1 plus 1 is equal to 0, the dot mod 2. The dot product of the two arbitrary rows, one from A and one from B, is 0. Hence the theorem is proved. This is how we proving this theorem. Thank you.